Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Blazing Beards. My name is Andrew, and today guys, we will be reviewing a company that rebels against the nonsense of political correctness. This company believes that men should be men and they don't cater to sissies. So guys, what do you say we meet them right now? Okay guys, so you probably surmised by watching that little video clip where you saw several toxic substances and you also saw several very masculine men doing very masculine things, that in today's video we will be talking about the Toxic Masculinity Beard Company. Now the Toxic Masculinity Beard Company was founded in 2019 by Rich Brown and Dan Gilbert. Now, Rich Brown is a very interesting guy. He is a disabled military veteran who served in both Iraq and Afghanistan. Thank you, Rich, very much for your service. Rich now runs security companies, and he is the consummate entrepreneur. He is also a proud husband and father. So let's talk about Dan. Dan is a former corrections officer who has turned security contractor, and he obviously works at the Toxic Masculinity Beard Company. So what does he do there? Well, according to their website, he is the director of badassery. So I think that's a pretty cool title to have. And apparently, guys, they pay him in liquor to keep his creative juices flowing. So, guys, the Toxic Masculinity Beard Company, they believe in better oils and less BS. They also believe that there are too many companies out there churning out overly expensive and unnecessarily complicated beard oils. So it's their mission to ensure that you receive high quality beard oils at affordable prices that women love to smell, men love to wear. So guys, I think they succeeded. Let's move on. All right, bearded brothers, now it's time to get to the exciting part, the part where I get to share with you the awesome products that were sent to me by the Toxic Masculinity Beard Company. So guys, typically at this point what I would do is I would actually do the unboxing or unpackaging right in front of you on camera, but unfortunately I can't do that because these products arrived in a super cool, very shiny, green bubble wrapped envelope. And obviously, guys, I use a green screen, so that would not show up very well. But what I can do for you is I can insert a picture so that you can see how cool the package was. Here it is. So guys, that is a very, very cool package that the products came in. Gave me a very positive impression right off the bat. And in fact, it was very fun going out to my mailbox, opening up the mailbox and seeing that inside. I was like, ooh, check it out. I received a Christmas present in the middle of April. So I was very pleased. But not as pleased, guys, as I was when I opened the package. So when I opened the package, guys, what I found inside were 3 bottles that looked like this. And at first I thought, oh, well, that's pretty cool. I received 3 bottles of beard wash, or maybe beard washes and conditioners. Very, very cool. And it wasn't until I actually read the labels that I realized that it's not beard wash or beard conditioner at all. These are 3 enormous bottles, 4-ounce bottles of beard oil. So I was very pleasantly surprised, and I think it's very unique for them to send their beard oils in this type of packaging. So anyway, guys, the packaging on these bottles is really cool. They all have oil-proof labels, and each scent has its own unique artwork on it. So the artwork on this one and the scent for this one is called Raiding Party. And another thing that's cool, guys, is if you go on to their website and you read about their scents, they don't only just put the essential oils up there to tell you what the scent is, but they put little descriptions, and they're very humorous descriptions. For example, I believe the description on this one was, using this oil is more fun than doing a panty raid at a sorority house and bathing in the blood of internet trolls. So anyway guys, it gives you a chuckle to go on and read them, and I suggest that you go on their website and peruse it. You're sure to get a good chuckle at the different descriptions that they have. So anyway guys, the other sense that I received is I received Operator AF, and I assume AF stands for automatic fire. And again, very cool individualized label with individual artwork. And then I received one called Woolly Mammoth. So these are the 3 scents that I received. Also, all of the bottles, you can see I have 2 blue bottles and a black bottle, but they also have other colors as well. They have orange bottles and they have green bottles. So guys, it just depends on what scent you get as to what color bottle you get, but I think it's very unique and it's a very, very cool way to package their product. Now, the Toxic Masculinity Beard Company has 7 scents in total, and what I'm going to do for you now is I will share with you a chart that shows you the scent profiles for all of the oils that they offer, so you can decide which ones might be best for you. So guys, here they are. Alright guys, so now that we're zoomed in nice and close, let's take a detailed look at the products sent to me by the Toxic Masculinity Beard Company. And today guys, I'm going to start with the Operator AF. So guys, I already told you how cool and unique I thought the packaging was, but I just thought I'd show you a little more of a close-up. So check out the label on this one. It is a soldier with a gun, an automatic rifle I assume, and it is very, very cool. And again, oil-proofed labels, and on the side of the label it lists the directions for use and the ingredients. Now guys, typically I don't read the directions for use, but in this case I will because it's cool. So it says instructions. Very complicated here, so pay attention. Instructions. Rub it in your beard. Fend off crazed women. So again guys, this company, I just love their style, whether it's on their website or on their bottles directly. They give me a good chuckle, and I really, really like their style. Anyway, in terms of the ingredients, guys, the ingredients in all of their oils, the carrier oils are the same. They're very good carrier oils, and they offer them at reasonable prices, which I'll get to you shortly. So anyway, guys, the ingredients are a proprietary blend of sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, MCT oil, Moroccan argan oil, and natural fragrances. So in case you don't know guys and you're wondering what is MCT oil, MCT oil stands for medium chain triglycerides, and it is basically just a fancy way of saying fractionated coconut oil. So what's the difference between regular coconut oil and fractionated coconut oil? Fractionated coconut oil basically removes the scent and it treats the oil so that it stays in liquid form at room temperature. But it is very, very good for your skin and for your beard. So anyway, got all natural fragrances, and I was actually surprised because the scents on these oils last all day long. So anyway guys, let me show you the color and the consistency of this oil. And what I'm going to do is, since it's hard to show you the color through the bottle and it doesn't have a dropper, I brought my own dropper so I can show you what the color and the consistency of this oil is. So as you can see guys, this oil is just straight up clear. There is no tint to it. It is just a clear liquid. There's no green, no yellow. It is just a clear liquid. In terms of the consistency of this oil, let me show you how it comes out of the package that it comes in. So again, that little snap top, the oil comes out very easily. Nice big drops. So there's some oil. I'll show you the run test. So guys, to me, this is a medium oil. It's medium consistency. It is not a thick oil, but it's not a light oil either. In terms of the scent, So this Operator AF scent is extremely pleasant to me. It is a crisp type scent. I would say it is very fresh, and yet at the same time it's like a cologne scent. So it has when you first put it in, it has kind of a spicy citrus type burst to it, and I assume that that's from the bergamot that's in it. And it also has an undertone of a sweet woodsiness, and that woodsiness comes from sandalwood. So it's a spicy citrus mixed with a sweet sandalwood, and then it's topped off with a musk. So that gives it a cologne-like essence. This oil is a very, very pleasant oil. I think this one is probably my favorite of the three. So let's talk about the other two oils. So the next one up is Raiding Party. And again, take a close look at the artwork on that bottle. Very cool. And Raiding Party, this one smells like, to me, it is a very, very complex scent. It's kind of hard to describe, but kind of the way I would describe this scent would be an earthy floral. It's not a feminine floral at all. It's a very masculine type floral scent. That's why I say earthy, and it has a bit of citrus spice to it as well. And it is, like I said, it's a very strong and masculine scent. Not quite as strong, I think, as the Operator AF, but it is a very, very nice cologne type scent. And finally, guys, we'll talk about the Woolly Mammoth. And the Woolly Mammoth, this one I would say is the most complex of all three of these scents. It is very hard to describe. It is extremely, extremely strong. It is a brisk scent. You put it on and it just kind of pops when you put it in. It is I would describe it as a spicy type floral. So whereas the Raiding Party was kind of an earthy floral, this one is a spicy type floral. And it also has kind of like an essence of, I would say, an incense. So like if you go to church and you ever saw they have those decanters where they do the incense smoke up and down the aisles on certain special occasions. It's kind of like a spicy floral mixed in with that incense. That's kind of the best way I can describe it. I know that's not a great description, but it is a very, very strong, very masculine, and very nice cologne. So if you guys like cologne style beard oils, you are going to love the oils from the Toxic Masculinity Beard Company. The three that I got, I would definitely describe all three of them as very masculine men's colognes. So in terms of how they performed, when I put this beard oil in, it absorbed into my beard and into my skin very well. Did a great job moisturizing, and my beard felt nice and soft after using it, and it did not leave a lot of oily residue on my hands. So guys, I would definitely feel very comfortable recommending these beard oils to all of you. Okay guys, so I just told you how great I thought these products were. They smelled great, they performed great, and they come in these gigantic 4-ounce bottles. So I bet you guys are wondering, hey, with that great beard oil in those huge sizes, how much are they going to dent my wallet? So guys, here's the good news. These are not going to put a big dent in your wallet. All of these beard oils, 4 full ounces, are just $20.99. Guys, that's only $5.25 per ounce. So that would definitely put them on the lower end of market average. Actually, they just blow away market average. This is a fantastic deal at a fantastic price. It is extremely affordable, but it is in no way a cheap oil. It is a good oil at an exceptional price. Now guys, the Toxic Masculinity Beard Company offers several other products on their website as well, besides just the beard oils. So what I'm going to do for you now is I will share with you a chart that shows you all of the products available and their respective pricing so that you can peruse it and decide what products you might like to purchase for yourselves. So guys, here it is. Alright gentlemen, so before I conclude this video, I always like to provide a few suggestions for the company that was generous enough to send products out to me for review. I think these suggestions will help make the company even more blazing. So guys, for the Toxic Masculinity Beard Company, I have 3 suggestions. The first suggestion, guys, is please add some beard balms and matching scents to your lineup. Myself personally, I have a crazy gray grizzly beard and it takes a lot of control, and I require a beard balm, and I know I would be a customer. Right now what I have to do is I have to go and use someone else's unscented beard balm in order to use your products, and I would definitely be a customer of your products if you had a beard balm. I think it would definitely help increase your sales. The second thing, guys, has to do with the scents of your oils. While the scents are amazing, I think it would be really good if you could provide some smaller sample sizes of your scents. It's difficult to discern what the scent is by reading a description, and right now you have to commit to buying a large 4-ounce bottle, and I think that might put some people off. I think if you could send out either, with each purchase, some small, 1 or 2 milliliter type vials, 1 or 2 uses, that would go a long way in spreading the word on how fantastic your scents are, or even make a sample set package up so that someone could buy, a bunch of small samples so they could try all of your scents. I think you would get a lot more sales if people could experience for themselves how awesome your scents are. And third, guys, this is a little thing, but can also be a big thing. I think that if you were to provide, a personalized note in each shipment that you do, or, include some stickers or something like that to show the customer how much you appreciate that they did business with you. I know I personally did not get a note in my package, and that could just be because it was a review package. Maybe you do send them out, but I think if you do include a personal note with every package, it helps to build the bond between the customer and the company, and it will ensure that you have customers for a long time to come. So guys, those are my 3 suggestions for the Toxic Masculinity Beard Company, and I think if they implement them, they will definitely be more blazing. So guys, in conclusion, this company, it is very impressive. They sell very good product, large quantities, fantastic scents, all at a reasonable price. What more could you ask for? So I am going to provide a link to their website in the description to this video, and I would suggest that you guys go out and check out their website, regardless of whether or not you're in the market currently for new beard oil. Go to their website, check it out. You're going to enjoy the style that these guys put into this website. It's going to give you a few chuckles and you'll really enjoy it. It's a good experience. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I issue new content. And guys, see in the corner of your screen down there, the red box with the white arrow in it, that's the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it if you would go ahead and click that subscribe button right now and subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a lot, and I'd really appreciate it. So guys, until next time, grow yourselves a blazing beard. See ya.